video, you will learn how the carrier and the broker side of the 123 load board works. You're going to see all the benefits and how you can scale your dispatching business or even your box truck business. If you are a dispatcher, watch this full video because I am going to be showing you how you can get 30 clients in 30 days, my most effective strategy on how to get consistent, hard-working drivers, and how to get multiple new carriers signed up with you every single day. But let's hop straight into this video, man. Over to the laptop. Stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! So like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys the carrier side of things and how to book loads and how to find loads and how to post your truck, as well as I'm going to show you guys the broker side of things and how to find new carriers for your dispatching business. And you might be saying, oh, what do you mean broker if I'm a dispatcher? Well, I'm going to show you how you can get signed up with a broker program so that it'll boost your dispatching. So let's get right into it. And as you can see, man, hi Latta, let's get rolling. So let's do it, man. So as you can see, you can search loads. Once you press that, these are the load searches that I have had this last week for my drivers. So some things you can do is, as you can see, we have D Quan right here, one of my drivers, and he was in the Florida, Georgia area, and this is where he wanted to go: Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Kentucky, Maryland, North Carolina, that region up in there. So if I wanted to search for D Quan again, I would simply go to his name and then I would press edit search. And so say today he is now in Charlotte, North Carolina, or Charleston, South Carolina, forget it, since that's the first thing that popped up. And now he just tells me he wants to go anywhere, so I'll put anywhere in the chat box. And then we are talking box truck here, guys. Now this is a big con for a 123 load board, is that they don't necessarily have a lot of box truck loads, and this is why I'm about to cancel the subscription and why I'm making this video on how to cancel this subscription as well. So they don't have too many box truck loads, guys. This subscription is only $39 a month. But as you can see, in Charleston, South Carolina, this is a popular area, and they don't have any box truck loads. And how you could tell is you could see V for van, V for van, V for van, and TL means truckload. And let's see if I can get you guys another example. So let's go over here to Charlotte, North Carolina, like I said first. And now you will see LTL, which means less than load, meaning that the truck is going to be partially full, maybe just one pallet. And then the SB is going to be what you're looking for, small box. So for this one, this is a truckload, a full load, small box, 8,000 pounds, and you can see it's going from East Coast to, oh, I thought that said CA for California, but this is actually a pretty good rate, guys. This will pick up tomorrow, and I might even try to go ahead and book this and see if I can dish it out to one of my drivers. So all you would do is just simply call this number down here, and this is how you would get these loads, man. You would call dispatch, and once you get on the phone with the broker, they will ask you the reference number. You know what I'm saying? They will ask you this reference number, and boom, this is all you have to tell them. They will look the load up for you, and they will tell you if it's available or if you're able to get it or not. Now, a lot of the times as well is a lot of these loads, as you can see, this is an hour old. This one's 3 hours old, and they've probably already been taken. So you're going to be spending a lot of time, trying to call different brokers and get that load booked, or get a load for yourself booked. So even as you can see right here, this one says truckload for van, 6,700 pounds. But I bet you if we call this number, guys, they're gonna be like, it only has to be a 53-foot dry van and not a box truck. So most of the cases when you see TL for van, and even though it's under 10,000 pounds, which is what a box truck can carry, it's still gonna be a full semi-truck load, guys. So this is what you want to look for: SB and a lot of your LTL freight. So that is how you're gonna book a load. Like I said, you just simply go ahead and press the number or the email. Most of the times, if they don't have the number up, it's kind of useless. They're not gonna respond to your email most of the time, but it won't hurt to try. These are the subscription plans, and just because this one's premium and this one's premium plus doesn't mean you're gonna get premium loads, doesn't mean you're gonna see more loads. The loads are the same. So everything I just showed you on the load board right here, guys, let's go to a different area so I can show you actually how you know. So let's go to California. Now, actually, California does have a lot of good loads. This is still load search for the day, but it's probably going to bring up tomorrow a lot of loads for tomorrow. But the search is still the same, just a different location. Small box truck, 9,000 pounds maximum weight. And as you can see, we do have LTL, LTL, LTL. And a lot of this stuff says van. This one says small box. Now, let's get into how to cancel your subscription. And this is how you would do it. So pretty much you would go all the way down here to settings, and then you would go to help. So once you go to help, it's going to take you to this page right here, and then I pressed FAQ, and then it'll bring you to another page, FAQ. Then I went to account and billing, and then guys, you want to go to see more articles, see all articles, and then after that, how can I manage my subscription? So once you go to how can I manage my subscription, as you can see, and then you would go to where you see the unsubscribe subscription. So then you would go to unsubscribe subscription, and then you would go all the way down here, would still like to unsubscribe, then you would press the reason, cost, and then you would just go to no thanks, I want to subscribe, and click these boxes. So that's how you would unsubscribe for both the broker and the carrier side, guys. And then boom, your payments will be canceled. So on to the broker side of things. So boom, now over to the broker. And actually guys, if you want the free sauce on how to get started up being a broker on the 123 load board without even having your broker authority, go ahead and book a coaching call in the calendly.com/KingLatta, link in the description. And I will teach you how you can, you know, get all of these carriers to just come straight towards you and, you know, get signed up with your dispatching services. And guys, you can do this absolutely free. Well, actually, it's not going to be absolutely free. You do have to pay the $100 to access the portal. But as you can see right here, we have offline loads. We have 18 loads that's offline. These are that means these are loads that I posted within the past, you know, 2 previous weeks. And then online, guys, if I want to post a load, this is where I would go and post a load. I can get you all of this information on how to become a broker to get carriers coming straight towards you in the Calendly link in the description. But over here, man, this is how you would post a load. So you would just simply type in the best city in the land. So you would just simply type in the best city in the land, Jacksonville, Florida, and then you would, you know, type in where you want it to drop off at. So we could put New Orleans, you know what I'm saying? Something like that. New Orleans, even though it's never seen a load going to New Orleans before, ever, with box truck on here. But then you would apply the drop off date. So we'll do Tuesday. And then guys, you would pretty much put in your details. So this is going to be for small box trucks, because one thing about looking for carriers over here on the broker side is semi-truck drivers are not going to contact you. And that's like period. Semi-truck drivers are not going to contact you just because it's so many scams in this trucking industry. Semi-truck drivers already know about it, and they already been in the game too long, and they already probably have 2 dispatchers that never fail them. So they only get their loads from like 2 different people, or maybe just one company. And then you got to think 50% of the truck drivers out here are company drivers, so you got to be aware of that. So you're going to be only getting box truck drivers contacting you guys. And so you would put in the length, the weight, man, and you know, this is just random stuff. And then your reference number, this could be a number that you create yourself. If you want to be more organized, it's going to Colorado, put CO or something like that. Item, commodity, plants, you know what I'm saying, something like that. And then, you know, quick notes, you put like need 3 months authority. Need 3 months authority, and then you would put like call such and such, and then you would put you know, the, you know, specific details that you need to put, or whatever you need to put. And then you would press post. The flat rate, or you don't have to put this, really it doesn't matter. I believe that you can get more carriers by putting the amount of money that you want to pay out for the load. And if, as long as it's, you know, it tells you the distance right here automatically. So for this, you know, this is what the trucking industry is looking like. 545 miles, $600, you know what I'm saying? Or maybe even $550, depending on the freight. If it's a LTL load with 1 pallet, you can get this load off for $500, man. But this is how you post loads on the broker side. And once you do this, guys, as you can see, you will have multiple carriers, you know, coming to you trying to get started with your services. And this is what I did as well. I just reached, oh snap, I got all the information in there. But what I did was I just reached out to them, and I just, you know, offer my services, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, sometimes they will respond back with their email, their number, their MC, and all that good stuff like that. And sometimes you will get no email, no number, and no MC, just like this. So this is pretty much my pitch right here, and this is how I get carriers to come to me. And the way I get started with this broker program, like I said, don't forget to check out the Calendly.com/King Latta, link in the description, so you can know how to get 100 carriers in 100 days, 30 carriers in 30 days, and even in your first week. Actually, guys, you can get 3 carriers a day by doing this, but only one of those carriers are gonna be legit and wanting to work and be consistent. So yeah, that's why I say 30 carriers in 30 days. Learn how to do it in the Calendly/King Latta, link in the description. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We out. Woo, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit that big old thumbs up right there, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because this is Black Investors Group, where we do make money the most easiest way possible. If you want to learn more on how to start your dispatching business, go ahead and check this video out right here. It's going to teach you everything you need to know to start a dispatching business and what all it takes. And trust me, it doesn't even take that much. But my name is King Latta, and with all that being said, stay tuned for more tomorrow, or even just in a couple minutes, because once you see these videos down here, you're going to want to learn more. But we out. Woo!
You talking money, want all of it, please. I pulled before, got me stuck in